Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down in order to find display and brightness. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again to find the auto lock. Let's tap, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 30 seconds or 1 minute. The 30 seconds option is currently applied, or we can set the never option, which simply means that your device will never automatically black out. So it's of course up to you. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 4 minutes for example, and as you can see it is immediately marked, which simply means that from now on your device will black out after 4 minutes of inactivity. It is also notified right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.